Okay, so welcome back, and now we're going to do a little bit more complicated one, but again, if you notice how to handle these, practice them, they'll be fine, okay? So here I've got e to the 2x minus e to the x equals 56. Now, in this case, there's no way that I can combine these. But if you notice, I have e to the squared right here, right? 2, and then I have 1. So this here is double, this exponent is double this one. So I can see that it's in exponential, or excuse me, what's the word? Quadratic in form. That's the word I'm looking for. So this is quadratic in form. So there's two ways. If you see how to handle this and you can factor it, that's fine. Some people can't. So the first thing I would do is pull the 56 over and write it this way. E to the 2x minus e to the x minus 56 equals 0. And so now I notice that it's quadratic in form because this is 2x and this is x. This exponent is half of this one. So what I would do, now again, not everybody has to do this, but I'm going to do a u substitution just to make it stick out more. So I'm going to say, hey, let u equal e to the x. If I let u equal e to the x, guess what? Now this becomes u squared minus u minus 56 equals 0. And now I can see, okay, now I can factor this. It's quadratic. And so now I can go and factor this. Well, what are two factors of 56? Negative 56, they'll add to negative 1. Well, that's easy. That's going to be negatives 8 and 7. So this is going to be u minus 8 times u plus 7 equals 0. And then, of course, what do you get? You get u equals 8, right? U equals 8, or u equals negative 7. Now, here's the thing. Now we got to put it back in terms of x, right? We can't leave it in terms of u. We're not done. So this is where some students make the mistake and stop here and they're done. No, we got to put it. We started with terms of x, so we got to put it back in terms of x. And so this means e to the x is equal to 8, or e to the x is equal to negative 7. Now, immediately, if you remember, this one has no solution. There is no real number x that we can raise e to in order to get a negative number. So right away, we can say this is an extraneous answer. We don't need that. Extraneous solution. Okay? So that won't work. So, also if you take the log of both sides, you'll see that the natural log of both sides, you'll get x is equal to the natural log of negative 7, which again, can't take the log of a negative number. Okay? But we can do this one. Okay, so now what do we get? We're going to take the natural log of both sides to get rid of the e. So we're going to take natural log of e to the x equals natural log of 8. And so this is going to be x equals the natural log of 8, right? I just pulled the x out. Natural log of e is 1. I just get x. And we're done. Voila. Have a great day.